Good morning students. In the last video we have discussed about the triangle chapter 16 and classification of triangle. Like triangles are classified according to its sides as isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, and according to the angles acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. And we have also discussed very important property, that is exterior angle property. Today we are going to discuss one of the very important property of a triangle, isosceles triangle. Means if any two sides of a triangle are equal, we know that in isosceles triangle two sides are equal, any two sides. So if two sides of a triangle are equal, then its opposite angle will also be equal. Property is angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Means if two sides are equal, suppose this is 4 centimeter and this side is also 4 centimeter. Okay, both the side are equal, it means its opposite angle. Opposite means just for this side which is the opposite angle, this one, and for this side which is the opposite angle, this one. So these two angle will also be equal. This is 30, suppose this will also be 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, whatever the degree. Okay, so if the sides are equal, then its opposite angle will be always equal. And second property is side opposite to equal angles are equal. Suppose two angles are equal, then its opposite side will be equal. Suppose if I will draw a triangle here and its two angles are given equal, this is suppose 40 degree and this will also be 40 degree. Okay, if two angles are equal given, then its opposite side will be equal. Okay, now understood? So this two property is very important. Now come to what is altitude. So altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular drawn from its vertex to the opposite side of the triangle. Okay, perpendicular means what? A straight line which makes 90 degree. Okay, so altitude is of a triangle is the perpendicular from its opposite vertex to the opposite side. Okay, and there are three altitudes in a triangle, 1, 2 and 3. We can make maximum 3 altitude. From this vertex to the opposite side, from this vertex to the opposite side, from this vertex to this opposite side, and it will definitely make 90 degree. And also the point of concurrence means where this altitude meet, intersection point. Point of concurrence of altitude is known as the orthocenter. Okay, don't forget it. This point is called the orthocenter. This is altitude of a triangle. Now what is median? So a median is this is also a line drawn from the one of the vertex to the opposite side of a triangle, but it always means it always passes through the midpoint of the opposite side. So how can you define median? So line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. For this vertex, what is the opposite side? This one. So it is intersecting this, or you can say joining this vertex to this opposite side at the midpoint. Midpoint means middle point. Okay, so if it is intersecting it at the middle point, then it will divide this side into two equal half. This side will be equal to this side. BD will be equal to DC. Suppose this full BC is of 6 centimeter, then what will be the length of BD? 3 centimeter. What will be the length of DC? 3 centimeter. Means this median will divide the line, this opposite side, into two equal parts. Got it? And yes, definitely in this also a triangle can have maximum 3 medians. Here also, suppose this is also median, this side will be equal to this side will be equal to this side. Maximum 3 medians, and the point of concurrence of this median is called the centroid. Okay. Now point of concurrence of altitude will be orthocenter and the point of concurrence of median is centroid. Don't forget this. So altitude makes 90 degree, means it is perpendicular line, but median is not perpendicular, but it passes or intersect the midpoint of the opposite side. This is the difference between these two. Now students, come to the exercise question. I told you to do question number 1 and 2. I hope you have done. If you have any confusion, I will give you the answers in the group. Okay, confusion. If you have, like, somebody asked me D number and E number, so I will give you its answer. Now come to the question number 3. The angle of a triangle are in the ratio 3:1:2. Find the angles and verify the triangle. Means ratio of the angle is given, but you have to find the angle and also you have to verify, classify the triangle. Classify means which type of triangle it is. Okay. Now let the angles, how you will solve this? Let the angles be, it is given the ratio 3:1:2. So you can take it 3x, 1x and 2x. This ratio is given, but angles we are letting 3x, 1x and 2x. Suppose three angles of this triangle is, one of the angle is 3x, other is 1x, the other is 2x. So we know the angle sum property of a triangle. So sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to what? 180 degrees. So we have let all these three angles like this. So we have added this. Sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree. Reason is angle sum property. You have to give the reason. Now 3x plus 2x, 5x, 5x plus 1x, 6x. Okay, now you have to get the value of x. So this is in multiply, it will come this side in divide. 6 3 is 18, 30 degree is the value of x. Now you have to find all the angles. So angles are 3x is equal to 3 into, put the value of x here, that is 30 degree, 30 into 3, 90 degree. Then 1x, 1 into 30, that is 30 degree. Now other is 2 into 30, that is 60 degree. All these three angle is 30 degree. You can see 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. You can see its sum is 180 degree. Okay. Now question number 4. Find the unknown angles. You have to find the unknown angles in this. It is also very simple. 5x plus 3 angles sum, you know, that is 180 degree. 5x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. You can solve it like this. Okay. And you can get the value of x. After that, put the value of x in all the three angles. Here also x plus x will be equal to what? 180 degree. So all the three angles will be equal. So this is the equilateral triangle. Now this is which type of triangle? You have to classify in question number 3. So one of the angle is 90 degrees. So it is which type of triangle? It will be right angled triangle. You have to write. Okay. Now question number 4, A and B, I hope you can do. This one, C. Question number 4, C I am going to solve. Okay. Three angles are given, x minus 10 degree, 30 degree and x plus 10 degree. We will add up all the three angles which will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. Just add up. X minus 10 degree plus 30 degree plus x plus 10 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So add all the x, x plus x, 2x, minus 10 and plus 10 will be cancelled, and this 30 degree will left here. Now 2x you leave this side, 180 minus 30, this 30 will go this side, it will come in minus, 180 minus 30 will be equal to 150 degree. Okay. Now this 2 will come in divide. 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10. 75 degree is the value of x. Now you have to put angle Z is x minus 10. Means 75 minus 10, that is equal to 65 degree. Angle M is x plus 10. That is x value is 75 plus 10, that is 85. And angle L is already given 30 degree. Okay, you have to put the value of x after getting the value. Now you add up all these three angle. Is it coming 180 degree? Just check it. Definitely it is 180 degree. Now question number D of 4 number. This symbol shows that it is 90 degree. Okay. So you can find the value of x, 2x plus 3x plus 90, which will be equal to 180 degree, and get the value of x just like this. This is your homework, this 2 and this one. Question number 5. One angle of a triangle is 70 degree and the other two angles are in the ratio 5:6. Find these angles. This is very simple, students. One of the angle is given like this. One of the angle is given 70 and the other two angles ratio is given. So you will let the other two angles be 5x and 6x. Whenever the ratio is given, you have to let the angles. Okay, like I have let this one ratios 3x, 1x, 2x. So this one 5x and 6x. After that, same process. This plus this plus this will be equal to 180 degree and get the value of x. So question number 3, 4, 5 you have to complete. I will again discuss in my next video question number 6, 7 and 8. Okay.